Today we learn amazing formula like text. Like we have a date here in B column, and in C column day, and D column is year. So day is required and year is required. So how we'll get the day and year with this date? Now we will use text formula here, T-E-X-T, text. Press on tab. Now it's asking for value. That means which value? So value is B. After that comma, asking for format. Which format? If you need day here, so you have to start double inverted comma and press D three time and close the double inverted comma and close the bracket, like so you'll get Saturday. So in the this day date, the day is Saturday. So if you need full sentence, so we have to give here 4D, then we will get Saturday. Now we'll come on year. So the formula would be same, text and press on tab. Now value would be date comma. Now we need year, so we have to start double inverted comma in format, and year, for year y, close the double inverted comma and close the bracket. We will get year 2024. Thank you.